Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name's Elaine Rau and I do product reviews. Today I'll be reviewing NYDJ's blouse as well as their thigh shaper jeans. This is a new thing that they just came out with. So everything's in black, but of course they come in different colors, but I just wanted like an all black sleek outfit. The blouse looks like this. It's kind of got like a little open V-neck. It's pleated down the back, which is a beautiful, elegant little detail. It's loose fitting, kind of 3/4 sleeves. Ooh, with a nice, once again, a light, nice little elegant detail with the splitting for mobility. Ah, yes, there are hidden secret buttons here. So you can actually button it. That's the highest you can button it, but you can unbutton it more. So yeah, so that's that. The thigh shaper jeans. The material feels really nice and stretchy, actually. Oh, yo, that's nice. They're high-waisted, as you can see. This is future fit denim with uplift, all over compression with extra boost. Ooh, and then that's the front. It's just like a straight leg, so it's kind of more of like a capri. So it's gonna end about like mid-calf. So let me go ahead and try it on. The blouse is super elegant. As I said, once here, this is for mobility, and it definitely does help just having that little extra flap, you know, to be able to move around. But it falls perfectly at the chest where, you know, it feels nice and right. Back is a little bit longer than the front, as you can see over here. But it's like loose, but not like too loose where you feel like you're not like, you know, giving, you know, there's no shape to it, which probably because of this, once again, this pleating detail as well, in addition to the back pleat detail that makes it super elegant. Over here, you got the pants, which are high-waisted. They go all the way up here, fit really nice, tight, but not too tight. And then this falls nicely just right over it. It ends, as I said, by like mid-ankle. So it's more of a capri, but you can make it a little more like a biker short almost if you wanted to, and then have it, you know, not a capri per se. So that's personal preference. If you'd like to purchase this, you know, these elegant designs by NYDJ, check out the link below. For more product reviews, make sure to continue watching and subscribe, like, comment, let me know what you think about this outfit, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye.